So, hyaluronic acid and envelope surrounding the ovum, these are dissolved by the action of sperm lysis. Now the cortical reaction. As sperm penetrates into the egg, that initiates a series of processes. During penetration of sperm, cortical granules, large size cortical granules appear below the vitelline membrane. This is the vitelline membrane or plasma membrane. Below it, the cytoplasm is called cortex or ectoplasm, and this is endoplasm. As sperm penetrates the vitelline membrane, then below the vitelline membrane, cortical granules appears. Some of the cortical granules attached with the vitelline membrane, and perivitelline space is formed. So when cortical granules attach with the vitelline membrane, then another membrane is formed, that is called fertilization membrane. Fertilization membrane is impervious to any other sperm entry. So it prevents the polyspermy. Polyspermy means entry of more than one sperm into the ovule. So this is prevented by the formation of fertilization membrane. The fertilization membrane is formed by the attachment of cortical granules and vitelline membrane. So during formation of fertilization membrane, some of the cortical granules extruded in perivitelline space, which attach with the vitelline membrane and forms fertilization membrane. So fertilization membrane once formed, that prevents the entry of other sperms. So always monospermy, polyspermy is prevented by the fertilization membrane. That's all.